Hey friends, welcome back to Quinn AI Insight, the channel where I share the smartest AI tools to help you save time and boost your income online. Let me ask you this. Have you ever spent hours searching for the perfect background music for your videos only to end up with copyright problems or tracks that just sound boring? What if I told you that with just a few clicks, you can have your own unique, royalty-free soundtrack created just for you without needing any music skills or editing software? That's exactly what we're going to explore today with a tool called Mubert AI. But before we dive in, if you're curious about AI tools that make your workflow faster and help you earn more, hit that subscribe button right now and stay until the very end, because if you skip even one small step, you might miss a super valuable feature. So Mubert AI is basically an AI-powered music generator. Think of it like your personal composer that's always ready to create music for you. You don't need to know how to write music, and you don't need any complicated software. Just type in the vibe you want, click a button, and boom, you've got a full soundtrack ready. Perfect for YouTube videos, podcasts, games, or even just background music for your personal projects. By the way, if you want to try it out quickly without searching manually, I've already dropped the Mubert link down in the description. Just one click and boom, you're on the homepage. Super convenient. I only share tools that are truly useful, so don't hesitate to give it a shot. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner and click Sign Up. You can sign up with email, but I recommend hitting Continue with Google. It's faster and you won't need to remember a new password. Pick your Google account and boom, you're in. No annoying verifications. Step 2, create your first track. Now let's create our very first track. On your dashboard, click Create Track. Here's the fun part. You'll see a box to type in a prompt. This is like giving instructions to the AI about the kind of music you want. For example, let's say I need modern background music for a business presentation intro. I'll type uplifting corporate background music for business presentation. Right below, you can choose the type of track: loop, mix, or jingle. This time, I'll go with mix. Next, pick your track length. By default, it's 45 seconds, but you can make it shorter or longer depending on what you need. Once you're ready, hit Generate Track and wait a few seconds. Mubert will start creating your custom soundtrack. Step 3, preview and customize. Once your track is ready, you'll see its name pop up. Just click it to preview the music.
Mubert.
If you like the vibe, but want something a little different, no worries. Just hit Generate Similar Track, and Mubert will create another version with the same style. It's like having your own endless remix machine. And the best part? All your generated tracks are stored under the Tracks tab in the top left, so everything stays organized. Now let's say you want something even more specific. Mubert lets you pick by genre, mood, or even activity. For example, if you want chillwave vibes, just select the chill genre and Mubert will handle the rest. Need something motivational for a workout video, or dreamy and relaxing for meditation content? Just pick the right mood and the AI does the work. And if you need a short, punchy sound, like an intro, outro, or quick ad, simply switch to jingle mode. Type in your vibe, for example, energetic modern tech outro, and hit Generate. A few seconds later, you'll have a catchy audio signature for your brand.
Mubert.
Once you found a track you love, just hit download to save it. Now here's a quick breakdown of the plans. If you're just starting on YouTube, the Creator Plan gives you royalty-free tracks without worrying about copyright strikes. Builder App, the Pro Plan lets you use tracks in ads, apps, and even on TV. The team working on films or documentaries, the Business Plan offers extended commercial rights. And if you only need a single track for one project, you can buy it individually, no subscription required. And that's it. Now you know how to use Mubert AI to create custom tracks in just a few clicks. Pretty awesome, right? If this video was helpful, please give it a like so more people can discover it. And don't forget to subscribe to Quinn AI Insight for more tutorials on powerful AI tools. Got questions? Or maybe you've already tried Mubert and created something cool? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.